दुश्मनों की गोलियों का हम सामना करेंगे। आज़ाद ही रहे हैं, आज़ाद ही रहेंगे. These words by one of our greatest freedom fighter Chandrasekhar Azad, who suffered martyrdom at the age of 24, inspired thousands of Indians to outrightly reject the British rule and fight with all their might for the freedom of our motherland. Greetings everyone. This is Shubhika Jain from 10th week. India gained independence from British rule on 15th August 1947, marking the reign of an independent and free land away from the terror of 200-year British rule. Every Indian celebrates Independence Day as a respect for the country, irrespective of caste, creed, and religion, by paying tribute to the freedom fighters who showed immense love, bravery, sacrifice, and patriotism on their mother nation and gifted us a beautiful free India. The march towards independence started in 1857 with the Indian Independence Movement. Indian Mutiny Act was the first revolt against the British rule. The response rose again with the Indian Mass Movement in 1885. It was followed by the Non-Cooperation Movement in 1920. It led to several other events which cannot be erased from the history, like Jallianwala Bagh massacre. In 1929, the Civil Mass Disobedience Movement was launched, which saw complete disobedience towards the orders imposed by the British rule. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru swore in as the first Indian Prime Minister and declared India's independence on this very day. The Indian Independence Bill was passed on 4th July 1947 within a fortnight. Moreover, he unfurled a tricolour flag at the Red Fort in the national capital New Delhi for the first time. From there onwards, the Prime Minister hoists the flag and commemorates the occasion by a traditional ceremony in Delhi. The salute is given by firing 21 guns. Now here we are, from the country that was once brutally oppressed by British supremacy to the world's largest democracy. Hence, we cannot merely say that 15th August is solely about freedom. Rather, it defines the strength in unity and gives us an example that some wars can be won with non-violence, and of all the things, it makes us value and cherish the freedom we have today. Keeping the sacrifices of our ancestors as well as the soldiers presently fighting for our country in mind, we, the citizens of India, must pledge to carry the legacy to make our country proud. I would like to conclude by a famous quote that says, "No other sacrifice is higher than the sacrifice for your nation." Jai Hind.